It appears that the throttle cable is broken. Should be a relatively easy fix. So this is a Garrett machine, 28cc, 15-inch cut that we picked up for free, and the throttle cable is not responding. So I'm just taking this back cover off. Got 4 screws that I can tell, maybe 5, 4 screws, and we'll get inside and take a look at what's going on. Okay, the cable on this end actually looks attached and just has too much slack in it. So I think I might have to take this assembly here apart also and see what's going on. Okay, so I turned my stand around so I'm not videotaping this in a shadow. I removed the screws from here and here and all around here except for this one, which I'm about to do, and then we'll take a look inside. So the question is, why is this cable so short? And I think I just found the reason. You can see here the extra slack in the cable. So when you pull the trigger, that's what's happening. You're getting no response. It looks like on the other side of this there should have been a spacer or a longer cable housing, and that's what I suspect the problem is. Something broke through or popped out of place, and I think I know just the solution. A little closer inspection shows this tube right here, and I think that is the answer to my my question. Let's see if I can show you. Sorry about the shakiness. If you can see inside there, there is a small slot that goes up into another hole. So the large hole on the bottom, a slot going up to the other one. That is where the cable should be coming out. So there's the, I'm sorry about this, there's the tube right there. That's where the cable should be going into. So it just wasn't assembled right, or somebody tried to frig with it. So I'm going to try to assemble it right. I think that was definitely the problem here. I put that cable in the upper section, and now you can see the throttle response there is really good. I've just given it a little touch. So I'm going to put the rest of the screws in this and button that up, and we'll fire this little girl up. Buttoned up and back together. Just going to give it a little pull here and see what happens. Unbelievable. Somebody would just give that away. Unbelievable. I'd say that was probably exactly that. This cable was probably hooked on something and pulled off and fell out of that little groove. And I can do that right now. I can pull that out. That probably pulled out and it stopped working. And the people said, screw it, I ain't friggin' with it. I'll just get a new one. So thanks to them, I got a new one. Unbelievable. Look at the stickers are still on this thing. I never checked the, let's see how much twine is on it. It's got the bump and go. It's got quite a bit of twine on it too. I'll take it. That's awesome. Anyway, I hope that might help somebody who's having problems with one of these. Thanks for watching. I'll update you on that little tricycle and other things we got going on here. I think I'm going to hot rod that, flat black it and do some pinstripes. Anyway, just a thought. Thanks for watching.